Samsung is about to shake up the foldable phone market in a big way, and this time it's not just a small upgrade, it's a completely new direction. The upcoming Galaxy Z Wide Fold has just leaked through One UI 9, and the biggest highlight is something users have been asking for years: a wider, more usable foldable screen. Yes, Samsung is reportedly working on not one, not two, but three foldable phones this year. We're talking about the Galaxy Z Flip 8, the Galaxy Z Fold 8, and a brand new model called the Galaxy Z Wide Fold. And out of all three, this new Wide Fold might be the most interesting one. So what makes it different? It all comes down to the display to firmware files discovered for a device labeled F971B, which is expected to be the Galaxy Z Wide Fold. Samsung is going for a 4:3 aspect ratio on the inner foldable screen. That might not sound like a big deal at first, but it actually changes everything about how the device feels and works. To understand why, let's compare it with previous models. The Galaxy Z Fold 7, for example, has a nearly square display with a ratio close to 1:11:1. While that design works, many users have complained that it doesn't fully feel like a tablet when unfolded. It's somewhere in between a phone and a tablet, but not perfect at either. Now with a 43 aspect ratio, the Galaxy Z Wide Fold could finally deliver a true tablet-like experience. This is the same screen ratio used in devices like tablets, and it's widely considered ideal for tasks like watching videos, reading, browsing the web, and multitasking. Everything simply fits better on the screen, and that's exactly what Samsung seems to be aiming for. A wider display means more usable space. It makes split-screen multitasking easier, improves video viewing, and even enhances productivity. Whether you're editing documents, scrolling through social media, or watching content, the experience should feel more natural and less cramped. Interestingly, this move also brings Samsung closer to what Apple is rumored to be doing. There have been multiple reports suggesting that Apple's first foldable iPhone could also use a similar 43 aspect ratio. So it looks like Samsung is preparing to compete directly, even before Apple officially enters the foldable market. And this time, Samsung might actually be ahead. Another exciting detail is that the Galaxy Z Wide Fold is expected to launch with Android 17 and One UI 9 right out of the box. That means it won't just have new hardware, but also software optimized for this wider screen. Samsung has likely been preparing One UI 9 specifically to take advantage of this new form factor, so we can expect better app scaling, smoother multitasking, and an overall improved user experience. But that's not all. There are also rumors that both the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the Galaxy Z Wide Fold will feature nearly crease-free displays. If that turns out to be true, it could solve one of the biggest complaints people have about foldable phones. For years, the visible crease in the middle of foldable screens has been a downside. Reducing or almost eliminating that crease would make the display feel much more premium and seamless. Now let's talk about timing. All three foldable devices, the Galaxy Z Flip 8, Galaxy Z Fold 8, and Galaxy Z Wide Fold, are expected to launch around July 2026. That's when Samsung usually refreshes its foldable lineup, so the timeline makes sense. But the real question is this: will people actually prefer the wider design? Samsung has been slowly tweaking the Fold series over the years, making small improvements to the screen size and shape. But this is the first time they are making such a bold change with a completely new model. And honestly, it could go either way. Some users might love the wider, more tablet-like feel. Others might prefer the traditional tall design they're already used to. That's why launching a separate, wide fold model is actually a smart move. It allows Samsung to test the market without completely replacing the existing Fold lineup. At the end of the day, this is more than just another foldable phone. The Galaxy Z Wide Fold represents a shift in how foldables are designed and used. It shows that Samsung is not afraid to experiment and push boundaries, especially with competition heating up. If this new design works, it could set the standard for future foldable devices, and if it doesn't, Samsung still has its regular Fold series to fall back on. Either way, one thing is clear: the foldable smartphone market is about to get a lot more interesting.